Fish stew with vegetables. A main dish from Burkina Faso. Serves 4. You will need 16 ingredients. Step 1. Sauté onion until golden in peanut oil. Step 2. Stir in the cayenne pepper and tomato sauce and bring it to a light boil over medium heat. Step 3. Add all of the vegetables to the sauce, cover and return to boil. Reduce heat to low and simmer 5 to 10 minutes. Step 4. Bring sauce to boil again and add rice, reduce heat to simmer, cover and cook about 25 minutes, adding water if necessary to prevent sticking. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.